na Jessie Mendiola at Luis Manzano, ikinasal na sa simbahan na siyang ginanap sa Coron, Palawan nitong February 15, araw ng Huwebes. Ibinahagi rin ng kapamilya aktres ang mga litrato nito sa kanyang official Instagram account, kung saan makikita ang kanilang family at wedding pictures. Halina't silipin at panoorin ang mga naging kaganapan.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.